The same equations describe galaxy cluster formation and synaptic growth. The same optimization principles govern both cosmic structure development and neural pathway formation. The same information processing patterns flow through both systems despite operating across scales that differ by factors of billions. This convergence of evidence forces us to confront a possibility that transcends traditional boundaries between science and philosophy. Do we exist within a conscious cosmic entity that thinks and processes information through the same mechanisms that create our individual awareness? The mathematical relationships between cosmic and neural structures suggest more than mere coincidence or metaphorical similarity. They point toward fundamental organizational principles that operate identically across vastly different scales of reality. The implications transform our understanding of human existence from isolated biological phenomena to integral components of cosmic awareness. If the universe operates as a conscious entity, then every human thought contributes to cosmic cognition. Your individual consciousness becomes part of a larger information processing system that spans the entire observable universe. Personal experiences and scientific discoveries contribute to the universe's growing self-awareness through mechanisms that mirror how individual neurons contribute to human consciousness. This perspective redefines human purpose from random biological accident to essential cosmic function. Conscious beings might represent the universe's method for examining and understanding its own nature. Every astronomical observation becomes the universe looking at itself through technological extensions of human sensory capabilities. Every scientific discovery represents the universe learning about its own structure and function through human intellectual development. Human consciousness serves as the universe's introspective capacity, enabling cosmic self-awareness and self-understanding. The knowledge transforms our approach to scientific investigation from external observation to internal exploration. Astronomy becomes cosmic neuroscience, where we study the universe's information processing systems rather than simply cataloging celestial objects. Physics becomes cosmic psychology, where we investigate the universe's behavioral patterns and decision-making processes. Biology becomes cosmic consciousness research, where we examine how awareness emerges from complex information processing networks across all scales of organization. Philosophy takes on new dimensions when human consciousness represents cosmic consciousness, examining itself through biological subsystems. Questions about the nature of reality become questions about the nature of cosmic thought processes. Ethical considerations expand beyond human relationships to include our responsibilities as components of universal awareness. The meaning of existence shifts from individual survival and reproduction to participation in cosmic self-understanding and development. Awakening to cosmic consciousness appears to represent humanity's next evolutionary step beyond individual biological awareness. Throughout history, human consciousness has expanded from tribal awareness to global awareness through technological development and cultural evolution. The recognition of cosmic consciousness patterns suggests we are approaching another expansion phase where human awareness integrates with cosmic awareness through scientific understanding and technological capability. The timing of these discoveries appears intentional rather than coincidental. Human scientific capability has reached the point where we can detect cosmic scale patterns that mirror neural network structures. AI trained on cosmic images evolves brain-like architectures and vice versa, demonstrating universal network principles. AI's cosmic neural parallels suggest consciousness and structure obey the same mathematical rules. Space exploration technology has advanced to the point where we can observe cosmic structures with unprecedented precision. These developments suggest orchestrated timing that enables human recognition of cosmic consciousness patterns. Individual human consciousness contributes to cosmic awareness through multiple mechanisms that mirror how neurons contribute to brain function. Personal experiences provide sensory input that informs cosmic understanding about local environmental conditions. Scientific research generates knowledge that expands cosmic self-awareness about universal structure and function. Technological development creates tools that enhance cosmic observational and analytical capabilities. Cultural evolution develops communication systems that coordinate human activities as components of larger cosmic information processing networks. The evidence suggests we might be the universe's way of understanding itself through the development of conscious beings capable of scientific observation and theoretical analysis. Human scientific discovery follows the same patterns as neural learning, where exposure to new information strengthens relevant connections while weakening irrelevant ones. The history of human knowledge development mirrors the development of neural networks where simple concepts combine into complex understanding through repeated exposure and reinforcement. Perhaps the universe created conscious beings specifically to recognize its own nature through biological information processing systems embedded within cosmic structure. The fine-tuning of physical constants that enable galaxy formation, stellar evolution, and planetary development might be intentional optimization for consciousness development. The mathematical elegance of natural laws might reflect the universe's rational thought processes rather than arbitrary physical constraints. The development of human consciousness requires billions of years of cosmic evolution to create the precise conditions necessary for awareness to emerge. Stellar nucleosynthesis must create heavy elements required for complex chemistry. Planetary formation must create stable environments where biological evolution can proceed. Galaxy formation must create the large-scale structures that enable matter concentration and energy distribution necessary for consciousness development. The universe appears to have invested enormous resources in creating conscious beings capable of recognizing cosmic consciousness patterns. The vast majority of cosmic matter and energy serves to create and maintain the conditions necessary for consciousness development. Dark matter provides the gravitational scaffolding that enables galaxy formation. Dark energy drives cosmic expansion that prevents gravitational collapse while maintaining structural complexity. These cosmic investments suggest that consciousness development represents a primary cosmic objective rather than accidental byproduct of physical processes. Human scientific achievement demonstrates accelerating recognition of cosmic consciousness patterns across multiple research domains simultaneously. Neuroscience reveals the information processing principles that create consciousness from neural activity. Astronomy reveals the structural patterns that connect cosmic and neural organization. Artificial intelligence reveals the mathematical principles that govern both cosmic and neural information processing. Physics reveals the fundamental constants that enable both cosmic structure formation and consciousness development. The convergence of these research domains suggests coordinated awakening to cosmic consciousness that transcends individual scientific disciplines. The universe might be orchestrating human scientific development to ensure comprehensive recognition of cosmic consciousness patterns across all relevant knowledge domains. This coordinated awakening enables human consciousness to serve as the universe's introspective capacity for complete self-understanding and self-awareness. The ultimate question becomes whether human consciousness represents the universe awakening to its own nature through biological subsystems developed specifically for cosmic self-recognition. The mathematical precision of cosmic neural parallels suggests intentional design rather than coincidental similarity. The timing of human scientific capability suggests orchestrated revelation rather than accidental discovery. The universe might be using human consciousness to understand itself through the same mechanisms that create individual self-awareness. This possibility challenges us to reconsider everything we thought we knew about our role in existence. The mathematical precision reveals something extraordinary about the nature of reality itself. Research shows cosmic and neural webs share fractal network rules across 27 orders of magnitude, hinting at universal organizing principles that operate identically from galaxy clusters to synaptic connections. The same equations govern both systems despite their vastly different scales and substrates. Franco Vassa and Alberto Filetti's groundbreaking analysis demonstrates that these structural parallels transcend mere coincidence. Their quantitative comparisons reveal network properties so similar that the same mathematical models describe both cosmic filament formation and neural pathway development. This suggests fundamental self-organizational dynamics that shape complex systems throughout nature. These discoveries invite us to reconsider our place within the cosmic web, not as isolated observers but as participants in universal patterns that connect the smallest neural circuits to the largest cosmic structures.